Hello everybody, I was witnessing a lovely scene of the sunset here in Dubai while on a road trip. It was a lovely scene, so it's worth sharing. It's a lovely view of the sunset. My camera just doesn't capture the exact scene, but in my eyes it was so lovely.
The day that I was on time.
Atin-atin lang to mga kabeshi. Sa totoo lang, na-late po talaga ako. May free bus po sana ako papuntang Dubai, pero na-late po ako kaya naiwan po ako ng bus. Mga kabeshi, ganun po talaga ang life. Laging nagkakamali. Lalo na po ako, lagi akong nagkakamali. Inaamin ko naman po, hindi po ako perfect. At ako po yung pinaka irresponsableng tao na responsable naman po. Joke. So, ito lang guys. Ito yung paligid ko ngayon. And ito pala yung Long Table Mountain dito sa Dubai. Cut the crap po tayo guys. Sa totoo lang, uuwi na po talaga ako ng Pilipinas guys. Magbabakasyon. At andito guys, andito na ako sa terminal. Hindi ako makapaniwala guys na uuwi na talaga ako.
Look how empty it is now. But if it was a storm, must be crazy, crazy.
This is the one.
Go. Yes, go straight here, in here.
So yun muna guys, salamat sa pagpanood ng aking video at see you on my next videos. Bye for now!